Hey, what's that? Whoa, it's some ships walking over my window. Do you want these cute little ships walk, jump, run, and play on your Windows screen? Then follow me. First, click the link in the description, and you will see this official app named eShip 64-bit. Let's download it and follow the instructions. If you fail downloading it, then check the second link. Now double click. Click run. It will start downloading. It will automatically download and install the app. Now you see there is something falling. Oh, so cute. Let's add more of this and play with it. Click here and add more ships. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more of this kind of video.